Alright, so in this next part I'm going to determine, I'll show you where the L ports go to, and they are indeed connected, and they go to this port right here, the middle one. And there's a few different ways you could do this to determine where each line goes to, and you could connect air pressure from a shop line, or you could connect air pressure the way I'm going to do it now. You could also put liquid in it. I wouldn't recommend putting water, but a little bit of gas and see where it comes out of. But in this case, we're going to use a caveman air pressure here. So these are the only 3 connections. And if I close the bottom one, can't get any more primitive than that. It's not a very tasty method though.